That's gone. The win, Team Corally Asuga, KRATON XL, full M2C build, bone stock except for hobby wing system, bone stock, full blown M2C build. Who's gonna take it?
I like this one.
You think that one's gonna win?
Yeah.
Which one you think? You think that one's gonna win?
The green one.
My money's on this guy, but we'll see what happens. All right, y'all, what's going on? We got the KRATON XL versus the Asuga. Let's see how they do out here. That's way out there, boys. Dang. That's way out there, boys. Dang. Holy crap, that was going. Antagus, hey. Oh, hard hit, boy. Holy crap, y'all. What? Holy shit, that was far. Look how far this went, dude. Holy crap. Been walking back, trying to put it in perspective how far this car is going, but I don't think I'm able to do it justice. That thing just went flying and I still didn't have it full trigger yet. Beautiful. See, even that's probably a big jump. Oh, about stuffed it. Oh, that's gone. Oh no, bad. That's gone. Winglet. Are you kidding me? It ripped the carbon fiber Asher Clean winglet right out of it. That was a heavy landing and it slammed the front end down. It really wasn't a heavy landing. I got another winglet at the house, so I'll fix this one up. I hit her easy a couple times. Hit her easy a couple times. Again. Over. Oh, not that way, we ain't. Oh, she's out of control. That's a good one. Rip it, it's Asuga. It dropped. That's a good one, boys. She's gone. Holy crap, she's gone. Oh, pushing some spank. Let's hit a little one and get that battery out of there. Asuga scream. There's a good one. Look at that, levels itself right back down. You see that? Every time it leveled, I didn't do no inputs, nothing. It was almost backwards and it literally tilted itself back forward. What up, fellas? I hope. That thing was just go big. Backflip with the Asuga, what? And I think if I could hit it wide open more like that, it flies even further. Shit, Jesus, some are big hits, boy. Sorry, guys. I probably should have looked back before I jumped it. Oh, I about missed the ramp. Scared me. Hard. Oh no, ramp shaved it. And it still landed it. Just perfect flights. And right over my head it goes, and I'm on. What broke? Nothing's broke. What the world? My lipo's, oh no, something is, oh, my shock's broke. No, it ain't broke, it popped out the hinge pin holder there.
Dad,
hold on.
I think that house is on fire.
Yeah, go on, what house on fire, dude?
Look over there.
What are you talking about? My batteries are stinking, guys, and my arm's hanging out. I don't think it broke it. It just, let's see, it just popped a pin out, I think. My pin's still there. It came unscrewed out of there for some reason, so either we stripped that or it just came out. But either way, guys, hands down, the Team Corally Asuga. Like, you seen the beating this thing just put down, guys. That's amazing. Like, that's amazing. Yeah, you can have a hug, buddy.
Yeah.
You want to say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Was that truck flying good?
Yeah.
What about that one? Did it fly real good, too? It did, didn't it? Kenny, get away from that road, boy. All right, y'all. Yeah, if you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. So until next time, peace out. Get your merch at Lit Decals. The link will be in the description below.
Bye-bye.
Say peace out, YouTubes.
Peace out.
Kenny, you tell them bye.
Bye-bye.
Later on, y'all. Back up. Back up, you're about to trip and fall, dude. Pay attention to what you're doing, boy. All right, give me that. What are you doing? Come on, give me that. Give me that. You little stink. All right, y'all. Let's see what this Asuga can do again. She's a beast. I know that. She flat tracked across there. Woo. All right, let's see if we can launch her. Oh, not that way, we ain't. Landed it, baby. Oh, she's nuts. She's nuts. Let's see if we can really hit this thing. Let's hit her again. All right, here we go. Let's nail this thing. Oh, she's out of control. This Asuga's flying good, y'all. She's flying good. Hold on, buddy. Don't you come in there. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all, let's get in a rip of this Asuga. Oh, the Asuga blew the phone off the ramp.